Here's how to get creative. If you're an artist, musician, writer, or anything that has to do with creating something from scratch, it's not really about you unthinking what you already know how to do or what you're talented in. It's all about being sure of how it's processed. So everything that we can do as artists, musicians, writers has nothing or not everything to do with creativity itself. You see, that's why we have to ask the question, in order to get creative, what is creativity? And if you're not sure about that, I'll tell you. True creativity is your ability to process thoughts in a way that creates innovation and fresh insights. That's it. It's that simple. So it doesn't matter if you're a conductor composing a symphony, or you're a mechanic and you hear a noise in a car that shows you how to create a solution and fix the car. That's creativity too. See, creativity is all about a simple way that you understand how to do this. Process thoughts. So it's not something that you're born with. It's something that we can build as we go through our journey. And I can show you how and give you more insight on how to do that.